If you're seeing the Google Drive error that says try downloading this file individually, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a super common issue when you try to download too many files at once, or when Google Drive has trouble packaging a large folder into one zip file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your files downloaded without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first and easiest fix is to download files individually, instead of trying to grab everything at once. Open the folder in Google Drive where your files are stored. Now, instead of selecting the whole folder or multiple files, right-click on just one file. From the menu, click Download. This often works much better because smaller downloads are less likely to fail. If one file downloads successfully, that's a good sign that the issue is related to the size of the folder or the number of files you were trying to download together. If you have a lot of files, the next thing to do is split the download into smaller batches. Instead of selecting every file in the folder, choose only a few files at a time and download them separately. This is especially helpful if Google Drive keeps failing when it tries to create a large zip file. Large batch downloads can overload the process, and that's often what triggers the error message. So if the folder is big, think smaller and download in sections. Another thing you should check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the download process and cause Google Drive to stop before it finishes. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or if possible, switch to a stronger network. If you're on mobile hotspot or public Wi-Fi, that can sometimes cause issues too. A simple connection drop at the wrong moment is enough to break a large file download, so this step is definitely worth checking. If the issue still continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, restart your browser and try downloading from Google Drive again. Sometimes old browser data or a corrupted session can interfere with zip downloads, and clearing it out can fix the problem immediately. If that doesn't work, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Then open Google Drive again and try the download. Incognito Mode disables many extensions and uses a fresh session, so if an add-on or browser setting is causing the issue, this can help you bypass it. It's a very useful test when normal downloading keeps failing. If you're still stuck, one more thing to keep in mind is that the file itself may be too large, or the folder may contain too many items for Google Drive to package easily. In that case, downloading files individually is usually the safest route. It takes a little more time, but it avoids the zip download failure entirely. So to recap, download one file at a time, break large folders into smaller batches, check your internet connection, clear your browser cache and cookies, and test Incognito Mode if needed. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.